Good top of the morning to you. The sun's not even out. I haven't even heard any birds up yet. But I'm on my way to start a new account today. So join me for that. This new account is from what I was talking to y'all about a few videos back, if you guys been watching my videos recently. And it was on the faith and confidence video, the second part of it. Today I'm going to that diner, and he wants it done every single week for a month, and then after that until the grand opening, and then after that he wants it done every couple of weeks. So that's good, man. That's good. I've replaced that income that I originally lost before the owner decided to pack up shop and didn't even tell me. You see how things turn into your favor eventually? But you just gotta have faith. You gotta know that. Don't worry about it. So what, you lost money? You'll get it replaced. Just have a little faith and a little time. It doesn't matter how it comes about. Just know that God's going to take care of it for you. And He's going to find a way. But you got to help yourself along the way. Because as you well know, God helps those who helps themselves. If as long as He sees you making an effort, and in between that, helping your fellow man for whatever it may be, and giving your 10% back, whatever that may be, in one form or another, you gotta have confidence and faith then. But you gotta be in the right state of mind. You don't do things just because you want something in return. I don't think the universal laws work that way. It has to be done with a pure heart, okay? Without thinking. So without further ado or any delay, I'll see you when we get there. Today, I'll be using the 14-inch high flyer and the Magic Eraser 1 Pass. I don't know what I'm getting involved with because it's new construction. I don't think they replaced all the windows. I don't even know. I don't know what I'm dealing with. But what I did give myself was a raise. The original people that own that diner, I gave myself a $15 raise. You better believe it. So I'm looking forward to getting that money. So I'm actually making more money. So it turned out to be a better thing. You feel me? He said, I said, I haven't given you a price. He says, it doesn't matter. I know you'll be fair with me. See, when people trust you and you're so used to being nice to them, there is no question as the amount of what you say, they're going to pay. And this guy before then used to be cheap and question everything I did, even getting decoration off the windows. He didn't want me to charge him for it. He thought it was a part of window cleaning. I had to soon break him out of that thought habit. You know, so I got $20 every time I take that paint off. You know, my time's got to be worth something, and I explained that to them. You see, don't be afraid to lose your job. If you explain to people and tell them I've been more than fair, and I said I'm cutting you a break at $20 because I like you. You know, you got to kind of like say it, kind of like put their mind at ease and ease into it, you know. Let them know that, yeah, you're serious, but at the same time, you let them know I'm cutting you a break because I like you. You see, some people like to hear that, you know, because their head is blown up and big already. You know what I mean? They're big, their head is too big already. You might as well make it bigger. You know, tell them what they want to hear. Yeah, you're lucky because I like you. It makes them feel special because in people's minds, they feel like they are special. And people are special in their own individual, unique way. We all are. So, some people more special than others. I mean, real special. I'm talking about a special case. But that's on another level. But I'll see you when we get there. And this is going to be part 2.